Let's be real, Web3 can feel like a maze. There's so much happening all at once. Hundreds of cryptocurrencies to track, NFTs to research, and complex DeFi platforms to navigate. It's exciting but also overwhelming. That's why so many people feel stuck or unsure where to even begin. What if I told you there are AI tools that can make Web3 easier, smarter, and even more fun? Think of it like having a super smart assistant by your side. Picture this. An AI tool tells you which altcoin has the potential to skyrocket in value before it happens. Or imagine a bot that's trading for you, growing your DeFi portfolio while you're asleep. Sounds pretty amazing, right? And it's not just hype. These tools actually exist. AI tools can do things like track token prices, predict market trends, and even automate your investments, all in real time. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. But why am I telling you all these information? Let me introduce myself. I'm the Web3 investor, and my mission is to guide you through the exciting world of Web3. My journey began with a simple question: how can we create an internet that empowers individuals over corporations? Since then, I've been exploring blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and Web3 investments to uncover opportunities and make them accessible to everyone. If you're curious about Web3 or ready to dive in, this channel is for you. I'll simplify complex ideas and share actionable insights to help you succeed in this space. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join a growing community of Web3 pioneers as we unlock the future of the internet. But you may ask, why do we need AI in Web3? Web3 is all about decentralization, innovation, and data. But with so much information, like token prices, NFT trends, and DeFi protocols, it's easy to feel lost. AI helps by doing the heavy lifting for you. It analyzes data, spots trends, and even automates tasks so you don't have to. Think of it as having a personal assistant for all your Web3 needs. Whether you're a crypto trader, NFT collector, or a DeFi enthusiast, these tools are here to give you a competitive edge and save you hours of guesswork. And again, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own thorough research before using any of these sites. And take note that the tools listed in this video do not affiliate this video or any of our programs. They are just tools that we as the Web3 investors thought could help you in your Web3 journey. Let's dive into the future of investing, powered by AI. The first tool you need to know about is token metrics. This is one of the most powerful tools out there for anyone investing in cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this platform takes the guesswork out of investing. Token Metrics is an AI-powered tool that analyzes thousands of cryptocurrencies, over 6,000 to be exact. It studies historical data, tracks market trends, and predicts future prices. Basically, it's like having an AI-powered investment advisor that helps you choose the best cryptocurrencies to invest in. Here's how Token Metrics can make your life easier. Rank tokens by ROI potential. Firstly, Token Metrics ranks tokens by their rate on investment potential. It analyzes thousands of tokens and ranks them based on the potential profit or the chance of the token giving you a good return on investment. Personalized portfolio recommendations. It gives personalized portfolio recommendations. Whether you're someone who likes to play it safe or you're a high-risk, high-reward kind of investor, Token Metrics tailors its advice to your style. Spot undervalued tokens. It tells you if a token is overvalued or undervalued. It identifies coins and tokens that might be flying under the radar, so you can invest before everyone else notices. Imagine this. You're considering buying Solana, but you're unsure if it's the right time. With Token Metrics, you get an AI-generated price prediction, market sentiment analysis, and even a ranking of how Solana stacks up against other cryptocurrencies. It's like having an expert whispering in your ear, saying, "This could be a great move." In a world where crypto prices can change by the minute, staying informed is everything. Token Metrics takes the overwhelming amount of data out there and simplifies it for you. No more guessing, no more FOMO, just smart data-driven decisions. And that's just the beginning. Token Metrics is one of many AI tools out there designed to help you succeed in the Web3 world. Let's check out the next one. Let's dive into AI crypto trading bots. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, doesn't make emotional decisions, and works around the clock to grow your investments. That's exactly what these bots do. They're like professional traders, only smarter and faster. AI trading bots are automated tools that use artificial intelligence to trade cryptocurrency for you. They analyze the market, spot opportunities, and execute trades all by themselves. Platforms like 3, Pionex, or Crypto Hopper make it super easy to get started. Here's how it all comes together. Customizable strategies. In customizable strategies, beginners can choose preset strategies, while advanced users can create their own. For example, you can program your bot to buy Bitcoin whenever it drops by 5%. So, every time Bitcoin price drops by 5%, the bot will always execute a trade based on your strategy. Round-the-clock trading. The most interesting thing with these bots is that these bots don't sleep. They monitor the market 24/7 and act on opportunities even while you're fast asleep. These help you to catch lots of opportunities in the market that you could have missed. No emotional bias. The biggest problem that might be affecting your Web3 journey right now or later may be trading emotions. But unlike humans, bots don't panic during market dips or get overly excited during a rally. They stick to the plan, which makes the bots be a better fit for you. Here is why you should use the AI trading bots. The crypto market moves fast, too fast for any one person to keep up. AI trading bots give you the edge by saving time, as you don't need to sit in front of your screen all day. Maximizing profits, as they act instantly on market trends, so you don't miss out on any opportunity. Reducing risk, as bots can help you make better decisions by following smart, data-driven strategies. Let's say you're tracking Ethereum, but you're busy with work or even asleep. Your trading bot notices a price dip, buys ETH at a discounted price, and then sells it a few hours later when the price goes back up, earning you a profit without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. The great thing is, these bots are for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, platforms like 3, or Pionex offer options that suit your level. New to trading? Use a preset strategy. Want more control? Customize your own. With AI crypto trading bots, you don't just trade, you trade smarter. And the best part? You can focus on other things while your bot handles the hard work. Now let's move on to another amazing AI tool for crypto investors. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to know where to invest before everyone else? That's the magic of Nansen.ai. It's like having insider access to the crypto world, helping you see exactly what the biggest players, also known as whales, are doing with their money. Nansen.ai is a powerful tool that analyzes blockchain data and shows you what's happening in real time. It tracks wallets, investment trends, and even NFT activity. With this tool, you can spot opportunities before they become mainstream. Here are the key features that make it amazing. It follows the smart money. Nansen lets you see where the biggest and smartest investors are putting their money. For example, if a well-known whale suddenly invests in a new DeFi project, Nansen sends you alerts so you can check it out before everyone else. This helps you stay in the lookout before anyone else. Provides NFT and DeFi analytics. If you're into NFTs or DeFi, Nansen is your go-to source. It shows you which collections or protocols are gaining traction, helping you make smarter decisions. It comes with custom alerts. Nansen.ai notifies you when a major wallet activities happen, like a whale buying a new token or selling off a big chunk of their holdings. The crypto market moves fast, and staying ahead of trends can mean the difference between huge profits and missed opportunities. Nansen.ai makes it easier for you to act quickly by giving you the data you need right at your fingertips. Let's say you're interested in NFTs, and you use Nansen to see that a whale has started buying into a new collection called the Web3 Investor Token. This collection hasn't gone viral yet, but because you spotted the activity early, you decide to invest. A week later, the collection becomes popular and prices skyrocket. You can then sell at a profit or hold for even bigger gains. With Nansen.ai, you don't have to guess or follow the crowd. You get real data, real insights, and real opportunities to grow your crypto portfolio. It's like having a crystal ball for blockchain trends. Ready to take your crypto game to the next level? Keeping track of all your crypto investments across multiple wallets and platforms can be overwhelming. That's where AI-powered portfolio trackers like Shrimpy and CoinStats come in. They simplify your life by organizing everything in one place and giving you smart insights to make better decisions. These are tools designed to help you manage your crypto portfolio easily. Instead of logging into multiple wallets and exchanges, you connect them all to one platform. These tools use AI to analyze your investments and guide you on how to optimize them. Here's why you should use these tools. They provide real-time syncing. Imagine having all your wallets and exchange accounts automatically synced to one dashboard. No more switching between apps or manually updating your holdings. That's the power of these tools. The tools provide AI-driven insights. The AI looks at your investments and gives you recommendations. For example, it might tell you if your portfolio is too risky or if you're overly focused on one type of asset. This may lead to better investment decisions. Just as Nansen.ai, they too provide custom alerts. In this, you can set up notifications for important updates. For instance, you can get an alert if the price of Bitcoin drops by 10%, so you can act immediately. With these tools, rebalancing is made easy. These tools help you balance your portfolio. If one asset becomes too dominant, the tracker suggests adjustments to spread your risk, which may lead to better investment decisions. Let's say you're holding a mix of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few smaller altcoins. Suddenly, Bitcoin's price drops by 10%, and it now makes up a smaller portion of your portfolio. Your tracker sends you a notification saying, Bitcoin has dropped in value. To maintain your portfolio balance, consider rebalancing by investing more in Bitcoin or selling other assets. This way, you don't miss opportunities or take unnecessary risks. The good news is, whether you're a beginner in crypto or a seasoned investor, these tools are for anyone who wants to stay organized, reduce stress, and make smarter decisions. With AI-powered portfolio trackers like Shrimpy and CoinStats, managing your crypto investments becomes simple, efficient, and stress-free. Ready to take full control of your Web3 investments? Let these tools do the heavy lifting for you. These AI tools aren't just about convenience. They're about leveling the playing field in a fast-paced, unpredictable market. They give you the insights and automation that were once reserved for experts. And again, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own thorough research before using any of these sites. And take note that the tools listed in this video do not affiliate this video or any of our programs. They are just tools that we as the Web3 investors thought could help you in your Web3 journey. Are you ready to revolutionize your Web3 investing game? Start exploring these tools today and see how AI can transform your strategy. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more of Web3 tips, tricks, and tools. And if you are new to Web3, you may click the video in your screen right now, which will provide you with the basics you need to start your Web3 journey. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite Web3 tool, and I'll see you in the next video.